Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Starlink when it keeps going offline or constantly rebooting in 2026. So first of all, you need to do a proper power reset. For that, you need to simply unplug the power cable from the wall. After that, simply do nothing but to just wait for the next 60 seconds. So this is going to let the system fully reset. Then you need to simply plug it back in and wait for another 2 minutes for Starlink to reconnect. So this is going to fix most of the reboot loops. If it still goes offline, you can just simply check the Starlink cable connection, unplug the cable from the router and from the dish, then plug both ends back in firmly until they click. You can just simply check whether the cable is loose or not. The loose cables are a very common cause of the random reboots. After that, you can also check for the obstruction. For that, you can open the Starlink application and look at the obstruction map. The trees, the roofs, or poles blocking the dish can also cause the frequent disconnects. Now, if needed, you can move the dish to a clearer spot. If the problem continues, you can update the system through the Starlink application if an update is available, or you can also look for this particular button over here. You just have to press and hold it for next 60 seconds, and this is also going to basically reset the system. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.